Hello, my lovely little artists. Today we are going to be working with this. This is called salt dough. It's just made of flour, salt, and water. That's it. Just those three ingredients. It's very close to Play-Doh, but you can bake it in the oven and it will harden like a rock, so that you can keep your creation instead of smushing it back into a ball and reusing later on. So today we're going to be making a pinch pot. This is a very, very old method that people have been using for years and years and years. And here's one that I already painted, which we might just get to do later on. And this is baked, of course. So that's roughly what it'll look like. You don't want it to be too wide, like you don't want the lip to be way out here, because otherwise it's just gonna melt like a pancake. Okay? So I've got my ball to work with, and well, I just made a ball. I like doing this very naturally with my hands because I've done this for a long time. But let's say you get a piece that looks like this. It's just a blob. How do you make it into a ball? Well, we are going to roll it. We're rolling it in between our hands. I'm moving my hands back and forth in a circular motion. Very gently. I'm not smushing it like a pancake. Very even pressure as I go. You might see that I'm getting some white leftovers on my fingers. That's okay. That's just flour and salt. It washes off very easily. So don't even worry about it. We'll get it off after our project is ready. Okay, so in order to even out the rest of that sphere or ball, I'm passing it back and forth in between my hands. There we go. I've got a nice sphere now. So now I'm going to take my thumb, I'm going to press it in, not all the way through, just part of the way. So now I've got this sort of donut shape, and now I'm going to take my fingers, just the tippity tops of my fingers, kind of like a crab, and pinch, pinch, pinch near the base, moving the clay upwards to create the walls. Now you don't want to pinch too hard or you'll get a hole or a really thin part. So now I'm using some different techniques with my hands, just trying to figure out what'll work. If it doesn't turn out quite like you like, you can always roll it back into a ball and start over. No big deal. Okay, let me try that again. Put my thumb in, pinch, 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 pinch. And there we go. I like that one a lot better. So now I'll go put this on a oven safe, on a piece of parchment paper and bake it in the oven. And that'll bake for about 3.5 hours at 250 degrees. So low and slow. And then once it hardens, we'll have something like this. Not painted, of course. It'll have this sort of color to it. It might be a little brown on the bottom. That's okay. And if all goes well, then we'll get to paint it later on. Thank you for joining me, my lovely little artists.